Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can remove pattern or password from your Samsung Galaxy A16. For that, first you have to power off your phone. As this Samsung simply won't turn off only with the power key, so we have to force restart it and then get into the recovery menu. To force restart this Samsung, we have to press and hold power and volume down key simultaneously. Press power plus volume down key. Now as soon as the phone restarts, release volume down key and quickly hold on to volume up key. Then release power key when Samsung logo appear, while keep holding on to the volume up key until the phone goes into the recovery menu. Here you can see. Then when you gets into the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then select factory data reset, and all the data on your phone will be completely erased. Here you can see. Then after that, select reboot system now with the power key and your phone will restart. After the restart, it will take some time to boot up, so you have to wait for it. Keep waiting until the start page comes up. Then here, click on start, move forward and set up your phone. After completing this setup, you will be able to use your phone normally again.